Proceed.
Bad
Wait,
girl.
wait, wait.
Una pa lang yan.
Wait, wait. Okay. 1.
Ay, ito naman. May papasok pa, ma'am. Ano?
1, 2, 3. Go.
Bad girl. Hey, everything seems to be staring at me. You, all of you, why are you staring at me? Why? It is because I'm a bad girl? Marina, take it. Kinakabasin ko yun.
Okay.
Meron pa manunood.
Okay, 1.
Bad girl ka. Hey, everybody seems to be staring at me. You, all of you, why are you staring at me? How dare you to stare at me? Why, it's because I'm a bad girl? Yes, I'm a bad girl.
Okay.
Kaya mo niya ba? Kabado ko ba sa salita? Bad girl. Hey, everybody seems to be staring at me. You, all of you, why are you staring at me? Why, it is because I'm a bad girl? A bad girl I am, a good-for-nothing teenager, a problem child. Now that's what you call me? I smoke, I drink, I gamble at my young tender age. I cheat, I lie, I could even think if I have to. If I have to. Yes, I'm a bad girl, but where are my parents? You are my good parents. My brothers and sisters were in this society where I live. Look at me. Look what have you done to me. Look what have you done to me. You have pampered and spoiled me. Neglected me when I needed you most. You trusted me to Ayaya, whose intelligence was lower than mine.
Give the last line.
While you go about your meetings, your parties, your gamble sessions. Thus, I drifted away from you, longing for a father's love, yearning for a mother's care. As I grow up, everything changed. You too have changed. You spend more time in your hookers, mahjong tables, and bars and nightclubs. You could even land it in the newspaper. You could even land it in the newspapers as crooks, peddlers, and racketeers. Now you call my name, accuse me in everything I do. Tell me now, how good are you? If you want to ensure my future, then hurry back home. Protect me from all evil influences that will threaten me